Last year in September, we choreographed a parade dance for the Respect Festival, which we thought might be fun to teach you all. And you can parade down your street or whatever you like, or in your kitchen. And this is an especially put together film for Lily, whose birthday it was last week. And she requested that to learn the Respect dance again because she missed it. So this is just for you, Lily, and for anyone else that wants to join in. So we're going to go through the routine first, bit by bit, and then we're going to dance it all together twice through with the music. And you can watch this as many times as you like to pick up the moves. So Emma's going to start.
And those of you who learnt this last year will know the first phrase that we made was Kay's Firecracker. Now Kay's not here today, so we're going to give it extra energy just to make up for her not being here. So what we're going to do is have some nice wide legs, and we're going to have one wrist on top of the other. We're going to go to the right first. We go pull in. So imagine you're holding on to something. You're going to put it right in to your hip on your right side. So we're going in, and then we go to the other side, out and in, and then we go out and in, but we do a double on the same side, if that makes any sense whatsoever. We're going to go single, single, double, double, and you can kind of step on your feet at the same time. You can really get into it if you want to. So we'll try that again. Going to the right first, single, single, double, double, and then we're going to repeat the other way. So we go single to the other side, single, and then double, double. We do that 4 times. Single, single, double, double, single, single, double, double. Awesome. Daisy, do the next part?
No, this bit.
Yeah, am I doing that whole part? That's fine. We can do that. So from there, once we've done all of our firecrackers, we're going to go, right arm comes up, we're going to touch the elbow. So we're making a nice L shape. Up. We're going to tap the other side. And then we're going to bring both hands down the middle like we're scooping up a big ball of glitter, and then you're going to throw it up in the air. Celebration! Tap, tap, scoop the glitter, we throw it in the air, big celebration. And we do that 4 times. Scoop and throw, tap, tap, scoop, throw it up in the air. And that's the end. We're just going to go through all of that one more time from Firecrackers, okay? So we go right side first, hand on top, we pull it in, nice and sharp, single, single to the other side, and then we've got double, double, single, single, double, double. Number 3, da, 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 and 4, double, double. We then go into tap the elbow, make an L, tap, scoop the glitter, celebrate, other side, down and up. This is 3, tap, down and up, and 4, tap, down and up. And that's the end of Firecracker. That's part 1.
Section 2 is the power section. Get your muscles ready. You start with a power grab up to the top corner. This is your right arm, and you step out, pull it in. Cool. And your left side, pull, grab it in. Then low, pull, grab it in. Pull, grab it in. Again, up, pull it in. Up, pull it in. Down, pull it in. And down, pull it in. Now you're going to get your right leg down to the ground. Your left arm up, show your muscles. We're going to do a power chop next, 4 of these. So you step forwards, power, chop, 2, chop, so the same leg is bent, this is the arm that's bent, 3, chop, 4, chop. Then after all that strength, you just get to party. You rock side to side, your arms go low to high, up for 4, then down, 2, 3, 4, then up, 2, 3, 4, then down, 2, 3, 4. So that's like a real cheesy power grab with your hands on the way down as well. That much again for the power section. High first, we go up, then grab, then up, then grab, then down, down. Again, we go high, really pull, high, then down and down. Power chop, out, chop in. 2, 3, 4, then party high. 2, 3, 4, pull down. 2, 3, 4, again, up. 2, 3, 4, then pull down. 2, 3, 4. Now you're ready for warrior.
Warrior, back to me again. So we've got all of our muscles trained and strong. We're now going to become warriors. So we're going down, we're going to bring the right arm up overhead. And it's like a pushing action, like get out of my way, I'm a warrior. Here. Hand is up. We then bring it in to the center, so we're kind of crouching down. And then we come up with the other arm. Warrior 2, down. Swap sides again. 3. Guess how many times we do this? 4. We're in, and we're gonna act like, we call this gremlin, this move. So you stay nice and low, and you kind of trot along the floor. I don't know, like some creepy gremlin. For 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep going if we want to. Then we're gonna step forward on the right leg. And from down really low, it's like a wave. We scoot all the way up and over, really reach. Make a big wave. We're going to turn to face the back. Do the same thing. Big wave. Step towards the front again. Feet together. We then go the other side. So now we're going left leg forward. Big tidal wave up. We turn to face the back. Big tidal wave. Turn to the front and together. So, just that little warrior section. We come up, right arm, warrior, and in, and out. Good. This is 3, and in, and 4, and down. We gremlin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step forward on the right leg. Tidal wave to the back. Step together, we go the other way, so left leg forward, big tidal wave up, to the back, step together.
And so we've got the next section, which is called Opa. So it's inspired by Greek dancing, and you're going to either do this on your own, or if you've got family or friends with you in your house, you can do it with them, so you can get them to stand alongside you. So your arms go all the way up to the top, towards the ceiling, and then out to the sides. And this is where you could possibly connect with somebody, so they could put their hand on your shoulder, so you're in a long line. And you're going to kick an imaginary football with your right foot first, and it kicks across the body and then opens all the way out to go back down again. And you do that on the other side. So with your left foot, you kick the football across and back, and then you kick across, and 4 times, what a surprise, all the way across. And then we're going to do a little Greek step. So you're going to step to the side and then step behind, and you do that 8 times. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, other way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you finish with a big Oppa! So all of that Greek dancing together, you've got arms, come up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick with your right, down it goes. Kick with your left, kick with your right, kick with your left. And we step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and back again, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, Oppa! And that's all of the combinations. So we start with Emma's Firecracker, or Kay's Firecracker, and then we go into Daisy's Power Grabs, and then it's Emma's Warrior, and then it's my Oppa. So we're going to put all of that together now and repeat it twice over.
With music.
Cool. So we'll find our space.
Once your space is clear, you're ready to go. Make sure you definitely got enough room. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and. Again. Ready for the firecracker 5, 6, 7, and. Well done!
That's a good one. Hope you have fun with it. Do it in lots of colourful clothing, and maybe you can even make yourself a nice headdress like we made in our Respect Festival performances. And maybe we'll be back soon with another routine.
Have fun!